Hey guys, Sean Reddy, Keller Williams Reddy Group, and in our latest blog today, we're talking about 6 specific fixes that are perfect for summertime for sprucing your home up. Whether you're looking to sell it soon or you just want to add more equity, these 6 very simple, very easy, very affordable fixes in this link below can get you on your way to adding significant value to your home for, again, not a lot of money or resources. The first one is sprucing up your kitchen or baths, sprucing up your kitchen and baths, I should say. And guys, this doesn't have to be a significant kitchen or bath overhaul. We're talking about simple things like adding new cabinet hardware, refinishing cabinets, painting the cabinet doors, things like that can give your kitchen a whole new look that can add significant value to your home. Second one is power washing. Power washing your walkway and even the outside of your home can make it look so much better with all the pollen buildup and everything that's happened over the last year or however long it's been since you've power washed. Give it a quick wash and you'll be amazed at what your home looks like. Third one is building out some indoor and outdoor relaxation space. You may already have this, yet that cozy nook inside where you watch movies to beat the summer heat, or that outdoor gathering area where everybody sits and sips on your favorite summer cocktail. Number 4, restaining decks and outdoor furniture. I cannot count the number of sun-drenched or sun-baked decks that I see in real estate listings these days. It's just an eyesore. So restaining it, you may have to sand it. Yeah, it takes a little bit of work, yet it just goes such a long way. Number 5, planting. Now's the time of year to get out and put those annuals or perennials in that just give your home so much more curb appeal. That should be on the blooper reel, yet we're putting it right in the video. And then number 6, giving your home a fresh coat of paint. This, again, goes such a long way for not a lot of money, especially if you're considering selling your home soon. We hope you enjoyed this video and the blog and the link below, and we'll see you next time.